What are you going to do?
I gotta read a sight word.
Okay, let's go. What's that word?
What's there is sorry, I got to do stuff here. I'll get it away and then go in. I for that.
No.
And then the at.
At. Good, Matt.
That one. Kind of get, sometimes I get mixed up. And you gotta do the straight pile here. Just watch it cut out. And that'll be it. For now.
Can you do one more?
Okay. Hey!
Oh, that was too easy. Do one more.
Oh. 2.
Okay, good job. Bye.
Bye.